Welcome to this video on architecting the Internet of Things, focusing on the edge, the cloud, and the hybrid horizon. We will analyze data processing locations, trade-offs, and ecosystem design. The central question in IoT architecture is, where should data live? There is a fundamental tension between the need for immediate action and the need for infinite scale. Edge computing processes data locally for low latency, while cloud computing centralizes processing for scalability. We can view this as a functional dichotomy. The edge is the reflex, providing immediate, involuntary reactions near the device. The cloud is the reflection, allowing for deep analysis and conscious thought in remote data centers. Latency and responsiveness are crucial. Edge processing takes less than 10 milliseconds. In contrast, cloud processing can take 100 to 500 or more milliseconds, which is unacceptable for time-sensitive tasks like autonomous vehicle braking. Another key factor is bandwidth efficiency. Transmitting terabytes of raw sensor data to the cloud is costly. The edge acts as a sieve, filtering out noise and sending only actionable insights and anomalies upstream, optimizing transmission. Security and compliance are handled differently. The local vault, or edge, ensures data residency and minimizes transfer risk. The fortified castle, or cloud, presents a massive target but benefits from centralized, advanced security tools. Resilience in the face of intermittency is vital. Cloud computing fails when connectivity breaks. Edge computing survives the break. For critical industrial IoT uses, like oil rigs, local systems must function autonomously, even if the signal is lost. However, both systems have constraints. Edge is limited by hardware capacity and scope for global insights. The cloud is constrained by latency and dependency on network connectivity. Therefore, a single choice is insufficient. The synthesis is a hybrid architecture. The edge loop handles real-time control and immediate action. Data and insights flow upstream to the cloud loop for long-term analytics, storage, and big data aggregation. This leverages the strengths of both layers. In smart cities, the edge layer adjusts traffic lights instantly, while the cloud layer aggregates citywide data for urban planning. In industrial IoT, the edge ensures instant safety engagement, and the cloud predicts maintenance needs. In healthcare, wearables use the edge layer to analyze vitals locally for immediate arrhythmia alerts. The cloud stores patient history for doctors to review yearly trends. Retail IoT uses the edge for instant checkout, and the cloud for inventory and trend analysis. The architect's decision matrix shows how processing location, latency tolerance, scalability, connectivity, and primary function dictate the choice between the local edge and the remote cloud. Future-proofing IoT involves the AI lifecycle. The cloud builds the brain by training models on massive datasets. The edge uses it, performing inference to make split-second decisions on live data, closing the loop. The value drivers of IoT architecture are clear: real-time responsiveness, bandwidth efficiency, resilience, privacy and compliance, and advanced analytics. These factors drive business value and system stability. The future of IoT lies in a seamless continuum. It is about integrating local intelligence with infinite compute power to create systems that are both reflexive through the edge and reflective through the cloud.